All right, folks. The Royal Caribbean cruise, January 2023, about to go under the Verrazano Narrows suspension bridge. Day one, multi-part video. I apologize if the wind is loud, but we're up on deck, so we'll get a closer view in a minute. No.
I gotta see if I see Uncle Gene.
We got Coney Island straight ahead. And the parachute jump right in the middle of the screen. That blinking LED light. Brighton Beach, Brooklyn. Okay, that does it for part one, folks.